Many dream of leaving the 9-to-5 grind to build a thriving side hustle, but what if your corporate job could be the ultimate stepping stone? Over a decade in the workforce, I've realized that the skills I gained in corporate roles have given me an unfair advantage as a content creator. In this guide, I'll share 4 corporate skills that have been instrumental in my side hustle success. If you're working full-time but plan to start your own venture, these skills could be game changers. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Storytelling isn't just about visuals or eloquence, it's about convincing your audience that you're right. One powerful framework for this is the SCQA method. Situation. Set the scene. Complication. Highlight a challenge. Question. Define the problem. Answer. Provide a solution. Example. In a one-to-one with your manager. Situation. I'd like to be considered for an early promotion. Complication. I know slots are limited, and I'm not due until next year. Question. What steps can we take to make this happen? Answer. Present your achievements and a plan to close any gaps. This framework works for workplace proposals, business plans, and even content creation. Side hustle application. Every successful video, pitch, or blog post follows a similar structure. For instance, this video uses SCQA. Situation. Many think corporate skills don't help side hustles. Complication. This is a misconception. Question. How can these skills accelerate side hustle success? Answer. This video outlines the skills you need. BLUF, bottom line up front, is all about delivering key points first, saving your audience time. Examples. Emails. Start with your request, then provide context. Reports. Include a clear summary at the top. Presentations. Use an executive summary slide to set the stage. Pro tip. Use tools like placeholders in Google Docs to create templates for BLUF-style communication. Side hustle application. Clear, concise messaging is invaluable. BLUF helped me collaborate efficiently with freelancers, negotiate sponsorships by getting straight to the point, build trust with my audience, who appreciate my no-fluff content. Your corporate job offers access to a vast talent pool and resources. Benefits. Internal expertise. Colleagues can mentor you or recommend tools and strategies. Example. A sales colleague taught me copywriting tips, while a marketing manager shared free automation tools. External connections. Build relationships with vendors, developers, and agencies. Example. A colleague referred me to a web developer who built my site. Side hustle application. Your network becomes your resource hub, whether it's finding a graphic designer, testing a tool, or learning new skills. Start connecting now with those who can help you later. Corporate jobs teach you to streamline tasks and build reliable systems. Example. At work, a colleague automated how marketing purchase orders were named, reducing errors and saving hours of manual corrections. Side hustle application. I created a Notion template for video production. Each step is a checkbox, ensuring consistency and preventing mistakes. Repetitive tasks like drafting meeting notes or applying color presets for videos are now automated. Why it matters. Side hustles often glamorize creativity, but 90% of the work involves repetitive processes. Optimizing these tasks frees up time and ensures quality. What corporate skills have helped you in your side hustle? Let me know in the comments, and check out my productivity tips for even more ways to excel. See you in the next video. Keep building.